set up a DR also. So all those things can be done. Now we'll take up some of the use cases where similar solutions have been deployed. The current case study which I am taking up is related to LIC, which is one of the largest public sector insurance company in India, and it is in existence since 1956. Now I will tell you the background how this case evolved during the stages. Long back in 2006, we have done a POC in one of the branches of LIC, where we have created a repository of all the documents of that branch. Incidentally, in 2007, there was a flood in Mumbai, and the basement and the ground floor which were used to store the documents got sunk. Then the LIC approached us whether we could reproduce all the documents that we have used during the POC data, and then we provided all the documents to them from our system. That is when the project took off and they went for the tender for the enterprise document management deployment. Nowadays they have kept around 350 million customer records into our repository, which constitutes to 8 billion documents. The geographic spread of this use case is huge. The system has been deployed and accessed in more than 2100 branches, 100 divisional offices, 7 zonal offices, and a corporate office. LIC is not only managing their electronic documents through our system, they are also managing their physical warehouse through our record management system. Since they have all the offices mostly at the places where the real estate cost is very high, like Connaught Place, Santa Cruz. So after active retention period is over, they are moving all those documents to their off-site location. Leaving apart the other benefits, they could retrieve their ROI only by freeing up the space from all these costly locations. Another key thing about this implementation is it is deployed completely on open source platforms like RHEL is the operating system, PostgreSQL is the database, and Mozilla is the browser. And moreover, the system is also integrated with their COBOL-based legacy application. Another good use case, more related to BPM, is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. CSR is a premier organization in the field of research and development in India and was constituted in 1942. We have automated more than 30 plus processes in CSR using the BPM and ECM platform. So all the physical correspondence that used to happen between department as well as between various labs of the department which are there across India is now being automated using the BPM based correspondence management and file management system. All their lab administration processes are also automated using the platform. Then they have created a centralized archive of all their policy repository so that latest policies can be viewed by their internal users. Even their meetings are now automated. You can constitute a committee online, it gets approved, then meetings can be scheduled, minutes of meetings are captured online, they can be published, and then it can be sent as a circular to various individuals in the department. All their legal cases, other processes are also automated using the platform. UIDAI is also one of the good case studies. UIDAI project was initially conceived by the Planning Commission of India as an initiative to provide identification for each resident across the country, and it was supposed to be used primarily as a basis for efficient delivery of welfare services. Nowadays, most of the government projects, there is a requirement of integration with the UIDAI system so that many of the details of the citizen applicants can be fetched from the same system. Based on our ECM BPM platform, we have automated knowledge management portal for automation of all UIDI administrative processes, which includes file management, correspondence management, RTI, Parliament query on a single platform. The solution has been integrated with the portal, e-procurement solution, HRMS, asset management, and various other systems for exchange of documents during processing. A quick snapshot of Newgen. Newgen is into software product industry, and we are focused on business process management, enterprise content management, and customer communication management solutions. We have a global footprint of more than 1,000 installations in ECM, BPM case management in more than 50 countries across verticals. We are credited with world largest implementations. We have employee strength of 1300 plus, and we have filed more than 40 patents in respective areas. We have offices across India and subsidiaries in US, Canada, and Singapore. We are a leading software product company, and if you consider outside US and Europe, we are one of the few companies to feature in Gartner Product Content as well as Forrester Wave. We are leader in content management system in India. We are credited with what largest document management deployment, that is LIC, and we are the #1 software product company in India to file patents. We are pretty strong in various verticals, like if you consider Indian market, all major banks are using our solution. In insurance, we are market leader with 7 out of 10 insurance companies using our solution. Pretty strong in BPO. You can see all the major names are there. That's all from my side. Now you can ask various questions which I will like to answer.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. I'll just start passing on the questions one by one to you. Attendees, request you all to start sending in questions for Abhishek. Abhishek, I have assigned you a couple of questions. Request you to please take a quick look.
Sure.